Alright, now this is CollegeBoard S81 official guide. Practice test 2 section 8, number 11 to 16. Alright, number 11 is pretty easy. You just have to move around for this. So you see 4x minus 5 greater or equal to negative 1. 4x minus 5 greater or equal to negative 1. So you have 4x greater or equal to 4 plus 5 both sides. So x is greater or equal to 1. So greater or equal to, the dot will be the solid dot. So if greater than this, so answer is A. So number 12. They said PQRS, WXYZ, WXYZ each have a perimeter of 12 and are inscribed in the circle. So they can take any part of it and draw it. So how many other rectangles with perimeter 12 can be inscribed in the circles? So it can be any place you want to draw. You can get any spot. It can be these two dots, these two dots, these two dots. So it will be infinitely many. So the answer is more than 4. 13. 13 actually is looking for 2n plus 2. So here is 2 to the n and 2 to the n plus 1. So how do we break this up? So what we can do here, I can break it up 2n plus 2. I can change it to 4 to the 2 to the n power, because this can be 2 to the n times 2 times 2. So my job is trying to find 2 to the n power. So from 2 to the n plus 2 to the n plus 1 equal to k, I can factor them out. This is 2 to the n plus 2 to 2n equal to k. So I have 3, this one of them, this is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 to the 2n is k. So 2 to the n is k over 3. So it's very simple. So we plug this 2 to n in here. So 2 to the n plus 2 will be equal to 4 times 2 to n. So it's 4k over 3. Okay, so that's B. Let's go to 14. Now 14, normally this type of question is inequalities of triangles. So this AB, they say AB is greater than AC. AB, the corresponding angle is Z. AC, the corresponding angle is Y. So it only given you the information of Y and Z. So of course, if they said these two lines are different length, so A and B are definitely out. They didn't mention about BC at all, so you can take it out. And also they didn't mention about X, take these two out. So they say which one must be false. Even though they ask must be true, you just need to see what they are asking. If the A, B, AC or X, Y and Z, those didn't mention, you can take it away. So only this part is false because Y cannot be equal to Z. Because you know that Z is greater than Y. So the answer is E. Now this question is asking, look at the question here carefully. The number is 243 and they want to ask what was the total cost of the hotel rooms. The hotel rooms is this part, and this is Tom's trip expenses. So only for Tom's, he spent 20% on the hotel room. So they said the graph shown is distribution of Tom's 240 trips expenses. Amount Tom paid for the hotel room was only part of the total hotel room cost. So this is only part of it and shared by 3 people. So he spent 20% of his money on the hotel room. Tom's part for hotel room is equal to 20% of 240. The actual hotel room price cost is 3 times of this price. So you have to multiply by 3. So 3 times 20% is 1 over 5 times 240. So divide this by 5, you got 48, and 3 times 40 is $144. So the answer is C. So this is the step-by-step explanations. So let's see the last question, number 16. Alright, they're asking you on a square game board that is divided by n rows of n squares each. K of these squares lies along the boundaries. So technically this is you think about this, you have a square board n by n. So let's say this is a even number of side times even number of sides is even number square. And the inside here, you take away the last column. Let's say this is the part, and then you have inside here. So this is actually, if this is 8, and this will be 6 here. So it's 6 by 6. So it's also even number square in this case. If this is odd number 9, the middle one is odd number. Is always even number square, even square minus even square, odd square minus odd square. You will find out when you square this number, it's become even minus even. You should get an even number. Odd minus odd, you still get an even. So the answer should be 10, 34, 52, 52. Let's say, which now in this case we cannot use the even and odd format or concepts. We have to find the number. We assume that let's start from 4 sides. You have 4 square minus 2 by 2, 2 square. And you can have 5 square minus 3 square. And you can continue with 6 square minus 4 square, and so on. Let's try the first one. I can have 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, this is the first one you can do. Alright, it's on the side, it's gone. So 3 square minus 1 square is 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 25 minus 9 is 16. You notice that this should be a multiple of 4. Let's try the next one. 6 square is 36 minus 16 is 20. So it's multiple of 4. We check now which one is multiple of 4. The only multiple of 4 is 52. So the answer is E.